I dare you to disappear for the next 6 months. Block out all the noise, disappear from the group chats, and just go into the ghost mode and come back unrecognizable, new, and improved. I've noticed this pattern in highly successful people that they disappear for months altogether to force pure focus on themselves and do a massive transformation. By the end of this video, you will take away a 4-step process that will completely transform all the areas of your life using solitude, deep work, and strategic action. So, you have half the year left. If you follow all these steps, I'm sure you would say 2025 was the year that my life turned around. Just imagine in 6 months what you can do if you commit to stay consistent. In 6 months, you can grow your abs, you can build your focus to an elite level, you can grow your social skills or any skill, in fact. You can grow a full audience in 6 months. You just need to lock in, and I'll help you do that. Hey there, I'm Roshan and I help people go from distracted to completely dangerous minds. If that's your mission, subscribe to this channel. And let's get started with half-year replanning and completely transforming your life. So, we are halfway through the year. And let's be real, I think you feel that you are a little stuck, a little behind, and how little you have achieved through these 6 months. But we can change this. If you follow this 4-step process, you would look yourself in the mirror on December 31st, 2025, and you will not recognize yourself. So let's get started. Let's break it down step by step. And step 4 is the most important. So stay till the end, because if you don't do that 4th step, you would not take away, you would not get the same results. 4th step is the most important step. Step 1, realign with your identity and not goals. Everyone sets goals. Every single person has set New Year resolutions. And by this time, by January end, 81% people leave their goals. And by now, most of them forgot their goals. So right now, we need to remind ourselves what we set for. But everyone can set goals. Who achieves them? The ones who root their goals in their identity, who I need to become to achieve that goal. If you realign yourself with that thing, like who you need to become, so that that goal is a byproduct of your identity, that shit is powerful, okay? Note this down. Who you need to become to achieve that goal as a byproduct of your identity. Then you clearly define the transformations of who you are right now and where you want to go. Okay? Clear transformation from A to B. Right now, you might be like chaotic mind, not able to decide, to clear decision maker. That is a clear transformation. Okay? One of the transformations that I am aiming for is unstructured routine to a very systematic, robotic, almost robotic routine. Because in the early 20s, in your peak window, you need to just get in the reps. You're not a master of anything right now. In your 20s, in your early 20s, you need to put in the hours, the reps, and you need to do it consistently. If your schedule is all over the place, you are not able to do it. So let's move into step 2 now. Now use this ChatGPT prompt, that would be a pinned comment, to reverse engineer your execution. This is a crazy good prompt. It will show you what are your minimum daily actions, what are your weekly tracking metrics, and what are the milestone discovered that after you hit this milestone, you have achieved this transformation. So define all these things using this ChatGPT prompt. You can just copy paste this and just tell it that these are the transformations I'm aiming for, and it will give you what are your minimum daily actions, what are your weekly metrics to track, and what are the transformations that if you hit this milestone, you will have achieved those transformations. After you get the data points you need to track from ChatGPT, you can either make a Notion dashboard or an Excel sheet, or just use a simple paper, bro. It's not that difficult. Just have a few metrics to track each day and then make a custom routine for yourself. If you don't have a routine, you would not track these things. You would not do these things throughout your day. You would forget about them. That is one of the biggest problems. We forget about things. Most people forget about their goals because they don't see it every single day. So you need to write down what are the transformations you are looking for on a paper, put that on your wall and see it every day. Imagine that you have done that transformation already and feel grateful for it. This visualization exercise also works. But the main thing is to track every single metric each day. Each day, how much progress you made. And if you want, you can make daily accountability posts on a school community or a Discord community. And that would be the one of the way of accountabilities. But here is the 4th step, the most important step of this whole process? Accountability with money tied in. Here is where most people fail because they make all these systems, fancy systems, they ask ChatGPT and they make a routine, but they don't put any stakes. There is no skin in the game. They're not losing out if they don't complete their daily targets, their weekly targets. So, here is a system. If you're serious, play high stakes, put money on the line. A bunch of my friends are implementing this accountability system that involves money. Choose an accountability partner. If you don't know where to find one, you can go to school communities, or if you don't find any accountability partner, make it your mom or dad or whatever. Give them 5,000 rupees at the start of your week. If you hit your weekly goals, you get the money back. If you don't, you lose it. Now, 5,000 rupees is not a fixed amount. You can choose it according to what you are capable of and what stings you. What stings you if you lose that amount of money? So, this would be really effective because nobody in this whole world wants to lose their money. So, if you put money on the line, you are 100 times more likely to hit your weekly targets. So, from next week, from next day, whenever you see this video, from next day, implement the system as soon as possible. Do all these 4 steps, and I'm 100% sure that you would achieve your targets, you would achieve your transformations, and you will come to this video and give me a big thanks. If you found value in this video, I'm sure you did. Come on, you did find a lot of value in this video. So hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment what your transformations are going to be. I'll see you in the next one. Stay ruthless.